Alt text is text you add to images to make them more accessible to your site's visitors. When adding alt text, it's best to use complete sentences with short, readable terms. Search engines use alt text to index your content, so it's also a great boost for SEO. You can add alt text in the Content tab of the image block editor. Try to keep your alt text at or below 150 to 200 characters per image. Image descriptions in gallery sections automatically become alt text. You can also add alt text to your product's images. First, edit a product on your store page. Scroll down to Images. Hover over an image. Click the three-dot menu, then click Edit Metadata. When you're done, save your changes. Your site title serves as alt text, either on its own or if you have a site logo. To learn more, visit our guide link in the description. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.